productions, and it's Miura Daichi with new latest music video and song Blizzard. I know it was opening for Dragon Ball, yeah, Dragon Ball, yes, but I don't watch this anime, but I know it was opening or ending, no, I guess opening, so, or OST. Anyway, it's just, I know it's another masterpiece from Daichi Miura, so just let's check it out together. I'm sure you already see it, so just one more time, please watch this music video with me, and 3, 2, 1, play! Okay, I'm ready, yes. Maybe. I'm home. Oh my, oh my! Wow! I love you! 大好きです! He's just so amazing. I know I tell it in every video, but he is. I mean, song, dances, just... oh! Nice. I like this song, I love this song. And yes, I need add it to my playlist. smile. I just need to go to his concert. I mean, when he have concert, he have just in Japan or maybe in Europe? I think not. Yeah, but maybe. Okay. I love you. I just love you. Adore. Really cool music video and song. I think it's just perfect and amazing for action anime. And even if it was not for anime, it's just cool and awesome. Because it's Miura Daichi. That's it. So please comment below what you think about this music video and song. I always wait, really always wait for his new works. And I want to know if you kinda this crazy for him too. So let me know in comments down below and let me know if you want us to check out another music videos or just live performances. So your requests down below in comments too. I will answer it. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like this video, please subscribe, and see you next music video and live performance reaction. Bye bye!